Today I'm going to show you how to change a Viper motor on a Tundra and Sequoia from 2000, the year they make Tundra, on the first generation Tundra and Sequoia. Okay, and this I will show you how to replace the motor. Motor here, you have a 4-bolt holding it. Okay, take this plug first and take your 10 millimeter. It's a 4 screw. Okay, take this out. Now there's no room right there, but what you do, see, when you switching the Viper like this, okay, this motor will pop out. So when the motor pop out like this, find the 12 millimeter and loosen it. Closing towards me, open is towards the camera, which is towards the back. Okay, in case on your it's not easy like mine, then you have to tap it. This is a locking thread right here. Okay, this is locking thread, so you can tap it with a hammer, you know, right here, a screwdriver, push right here and tap it. They should come off. This is the part number for it. Depend what brand you buy, so hopefully it work. Right there, made in China. Play around with it until the motor fit with the Viper over there. But I'm going to show you how easy this thing here to take him out. Okay, that's all. My job is to show you easy way to taking down this motor, because some people they're wondering how do you pull these things out, you know. The reason I moved the hood is not for this Viper here, okay, because I replaced this engine here and this motor here is not good, so that's why they want me to replace it too. So as soon like this, so I turn the Viper down like this to make sure this go inside here and go like that, and I know that this will be like this, so I can closing in with the screw right here. The reason I do this because I want to get the Viper rest like that, so when you close in, and that will go exactly like this. Okay, if you don't do this, then you can take the Viper down and realign on the Viper. That's fine. I think that will work the same thing too, but I just want to do less work, so that's why I am doing this way, and that makes it easier for me. Whatever easier for you, it's okay. So that's what I do from here. As soon as you lock it in, then you can turn the Viper blade up there, so you have more room right here. So that's why that make the nut is not too difficult for you to close in it. And then you can turn the Viper down again. See that? And tight it with this. Okay, let's plug it in. That's it. Easy. 5-minute job. Okay. Don't take to the dealership, don't take to nobody. You can do yourself watching this video here. Okay, you find this video is easy, right? So please help me subscribe. That as you say thank you. See you guys next video. Bye bye now.